Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to create this noise. So you're gonna have to make a new one, right? You're gonna save that, and then you're gonna go to the up here. You're gonna go up here, and then click that. Or you're gonna click that, and then here it is, and then you could record like chap, blah blah. Let's see. Blah, blah. Okay, that didn't sound likable. Oh, we need more crunch. Nope. Yeah, that's how you make the noise. That's how you make the noise. That was weird. Anyways, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Okay, I just said that. But make sure to subscribe and comment down if this was useful. Bye.